Welcome to Under the Domain. My name is Shane, and I thought I would just make a quick little video and let you know that next week I'm going to be going live every once in a while, and I'm going to be calling potential clients, prospects, all that kind of good stuff with the purpose of flipping a domain on a phone call. So you actually get to eavesdrop on my phone calls, and you'll get a behind the scenes sneak peek at what I actually do, and you don't want to miss it. So if you're interested in doing a little bit of a side hustle with buying and selling domains, and you're curious at all, just subscribe to this channel. Comment below if you have any questions or anything like that. Just feel free to ask them. And then as well, if you click on that bell, the next time I go live, you'll be notified as well. And don't worry, I'm going to let you know in advance when I'm going live. That way you won't miss any of these live phone calls. And if you really don't want to miss it, just go to my website, underthedomain.com, leave your name, email address, and whenever I'm going live, I'll give you a couple of days notice. So thanks again. I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.